First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. I bought the device a few weeks ago. The device quickly impressed me how many functions it has. For example, the tracking function works perfectly, and the video editor is also very good. I can only recommend the device. So I'll show you now what's in the box. And I'll show you some of the first shots I took. These are my very first recordings with such a device. But now, after a few weeks of use, you know how everything works, and the videos looks much better. In this unboxing video, I show you my first shots. I deliberately chose these recordings so that the people who want to buy the device can see what the software can do, even if you are partly inexperienced. And over time you just keep getting better and better. In another video they're coming out soon, I'll show you what I mean by these improvements. Thank you for watching my video, take care and stay healthy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and enjoy my first shots.